A little bonus feature for some of you guys. If you didn't know, you can watch videos on your watch. I'm actually watching my YouTube channel, a video I did, I think it was last week when I was at PriceSmarts. Hey guys, how's it going? Markel here, back with another video, and today I finally got my Apple Watch Ultra. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of that. I did get my Ocean Bands, and I do have my Series 8 watch here with the white Ocean Bands. And normally, this is not the box we would get for the Apple Watch. This is the box you would normally get. This is the box I got for my Series 8 watch. This is how it normally comes, so this is completely different now. So let's go ahead and get into this. I ended up getting the green, I think it's the Trail Loops. But this is just an instruction booklet right here. And it basically shows you the different types of watch bands that you get. So yeah, I got the green Alpine Loop. And I'm not gonna open this. This is for sale. I ain't even trying to wear that. So let's get to the star of the show here, which is the Apple Watch itself. But in order to save about $400, I would rather buy it from the States than buy it from here. But yeah, you do get this nice braided cable, the fast charger. I'll be sure to use that today to charge this up. So it is a nice braided cable. Let's take a look at the watch itself. There's usually a way, yeah, right here. You can unwrap these without destroying it in case you got to put it back. So I always try to be careful when I get these. So there it is. But it's not as gigantic though as people make it out to be. This orange loop is the one I'm going to go to first. I do have some accessories coming from Amazon. And when I get the rest of my accessories, I will show you guys what I got. All right, so let's go ahead and put this thing together. So this should be the top. All right, so let's do another quick comparison here. Apple Watch Series 8, Apple Watch Ultra. There's really not, but it's not that much difference in size. You got 45 millimeters versus 49 millimeters. It's just thicker. The weight is a little heavier, but not that much heavier. I think people really just exaggerated about it. So it's already found the watch. Continue, and I'm going to turn on cellular for sure. And it's syncing, so I'm gonna let this sync, and I'll be right back. All right, guys. So first impression, it's not much different than my Apple Watch 8, but my Apple Watch 8 didn't have cellular, so this was something I wanted to get just in case something happens, and it's another emergency device that I have. But there have been situations where something has happened. I didn't have my phone near me. Luckily, I had my caregiver here to help me, so it wasn't an issue. But that's why I went ahead and got this, the cellular version, versus what I have with the Series 8 is just a Bluetooth version. So that's all. That was the only real reason I got this, because in all honesty, it's not that much different. It's just thicker, better battery life, but it is the cellular version. Now I could have got the cellular version for the Series 8, but I also wanted to get this battery life. So I don't normally leave the always on display on. I just did that for this video. I normally have it off. I have the cellular activated with Claro. It's an extra $3.50 a month on top of what I was already paying, so that's no big deal. But it's just a backup for now. And I've seen people go just with the watch only without using a phone. That's not something I can do here because WhatsApp, everybody here uses WhatsApp. Even people who have iPhones rarely use FaceTime or iMessage. They normally use WhatsApp. So with WhatsApp, with your watch only, you can't listen to voicemails or voice messages. You can't see photos or videos. You can only reply back to a text message. So that's why I don't think it would work here for me. Now, if I was in the States, different story. Lots of family and friends uses iMessage and FaceTime, but here, WhatsApp is king. But all right, guys, that's going to do it. Hey, I appreciate everybody watching as always. Until the next time, guys, I'm out. Peace. Enjoy the rest